It's Your Business. I'm Katie Trexler. If you're struggling to pay your bills, then you want to listen to our next guest, Kevin Heupel. He's a debt relief attorney and author of Get Debt Free with Me. Today, Kevin's going to talk about your options for eliminating debt and how to rebuild your financial future. He's also giving away free copies of his book and has a special offer on how to solve your financial problem with zero money down. That's very helpful for a lot of folks out there. First of all, how do people know if they have a debt problem?
Well, there's always a couple of ways. There's the obvious, you're missing payments, you're getting collection calls, you're being sued, or your wages are being garnished. The not so obvious, what I call the cycle of debt, that's where you're paying off your credit cards only to turn around and use them again to buy groceries and gas. So you're paying the credit card and then you're having to buy stuff, and you can only afford to buy stuff if you make your credit card payments, and that's a sign that you need help.
You need help, vicious cycle, right? So what solutions are out there for people who have trouble paying bills?
Well, there's three common ones. There's credit counseling for credit card debt, there's debt settlement for older debt, and then there's bankruptcy that covers a lot of debts.
Okay, and what do you think is the best?
Well, I always think it's what's going to work best for that individual person. So we do is we look at their income, their assets, what type of debts they have. Now we find that 8 out of 10 people, bankruptcy works best. But the other 2 out of 10, they're going to do a different solution. The point is, if you're struggling, call, get help. We'll find the right solution for you.
Okay, so you mentioned bankruptcy. A lot of people, there's a stigma about bankruptcy. They don't even want to think about it. But what is the reality? Am I going to lose my home, my car, my 401k?
No, the beauty of bankruptcy is you get rid of most debts, and you're allowed to keep your home, you're allowed to keep your car, your furniture, your clothing, your jewelry, and most importantly, 100% of your retirement is protected, even if you file bankruptcy.
And can I rebuild my credit after that?
You can. We help people with that. We offer what we call 7 steps to a 720 credit score, and we see people recover within 1 year after filing bankruptcy.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, your firm has an A rating with the BBB. You also offer a money-back guarantee and a free consultation. And right now we want to listen to one of your clients who's had a great experience.
Okay.
Prior to coming to Heupel Law, I absolutely was stressing every day. I was worried. I was not sleeping. I was just always worried. And now that I've actually went through the whole process, I feel like a new person.
That's great news. You know, a huge financial burden for a lot of people right now is student loans. Can bankruptcy help with that?
It doesn't, but there's a lot of income-based repayment programs out there. We've done a couple for our staff, and you can look here. Here's somebody who had $140,000 of student loan debt, payments of about $800 to $900 a month. We've dropped them down to the low 300s. She's going to save $6,000 a year in her student loan payments. So there's options out there.
Okay, so they need to just come in and talk to you, and you can help them. For more information, you can also visit getdebtfreewithme.com. And Heupel Law has several offices in downtown Denver, Broomfield, the Tech Center, Loveland, and Colorado Springs.